Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we kind of have something very special on the channel. Today we're working on this 335 IS. It currently belongs to one of my friends. He dropped it off last night to do the valve cover gasket, the manifold gasket, the filter gasket, housing gasket, and all that good stuff, the spark plugs. So basically he wanted me to go over everything. There's the leak is not too much, it's not too bad, but hey, it is seeping, so sooner or later you do have to touch this stuff. So he just bought this not too long ago, like probably a week or two. Now he dropped it off last night. So as you can see, I've already taken the stuff off. I was gonna record it, but as you guys know, if you want an N54, like taking the accessories off on the top is probably one of the pain in the ass thing. Please come over here. I was trying to take the clip off for the O2 sensors and the clip broke. So stuff like this, like you'll see, like, and it does have 100,000 miles on it, and the plastic is aged, you know, so clips here and there would break, but you just have to make sure you don't break anything that's majorly important. My valve cover, when I was doing on my N54, took me about the whole day actually to do everything, oil filter, manifold, and the valve cover. So come close. As you guys can see, I've taken the rails off. I'm not gonna disassemble each of them. I'm just gonna unbolt the thing and then take the whole rail off, so that way I don't have to worry about me lining up. But I do have to worry about the injectors, so you do have to make sure there's when you put it back, you put it back at the same spot. So if you take this one out of one, it has to go back to bank one, otherwise you're gonna have ignition problem and all sorts of problems you're gonna have. So if you have a Sharpie, you could go ahead and mark it with a Sharpie, or if not, you could just have a little safe spot and you literally lay it down until you touch it and bring it back to put it back, everything on. But other than that, everything is a piece of cake. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this rail off right now. Man, I picked this one up for like 50 bucks from Amazon, and swear to God, best purchase ever. Like, it's not the best, but when it coming down to like you screwing every single bolt with your hand, it comes in clutch, man. Just like that. Careful not to bend these. I have seen people, oh shit. There goes my 27 cents.
$2.
Oh yeah, bro, the gas is 7 now. Fuck. Hey bro, should have gotten a bucket. So you could put it back and come down and take these plugs off. The wiring harness connection for the injector, but you gotta be very careful. There's this little clips. Do not break these ones. Pry it off a little bit with the flathead and you could just pull it out. I'll show it to you again. Just a little bit, and then boom. And you can see it's leaking, so that means it does have some, I'm not sure if it just leaked because I unbolted or it was leaking from before, but it shouldn't be leaking because it's just a connector. There's no liquid going through it. Okay. Alright guys, so finally we loosened all the bolts up, the rail is out. We did not have to take the ignition, the injector, fuel injector is off. It's because there's no reason to. Last time I did it, I took off mine, but yeah, I never really had to. But There you go. Boom. Put this to the side. It's pretty simple. The short one is will go to the closest one, and the longer one obviously will go to the one that's on the far hand side. So that's not too big of a problem. Should be able to lift this up. So let's see. Here goes nothing. Okay. Oh. Now that's, was it printing the ass? N54 lights. So if you're actually complaining about it, I guess it is what it is. We absolutely want to go ahead and take these out. Fuses out. Put them on the side. And honestly, right now, just a visual inspection at this point, because there is not much to do at this end other than just checking out the condition of the car. See, timing chain is not loose at all, very stiff. Plastic, it's fine. This is because there is no support, it's just a little bracket that's on the top. There is a gunk, that's residue right here, as you can see, that's building up. Due to what, I'm not too sure, but this is something to look after, honestly speaking, because look, you see these black dots. I'm not too, the fucking camera is not focusing. But yeah, as you can see, hold on. Towel ta koi blue towel. Pichone mone hoy, in the trunk. I think it's in the trunk. Oh man. Sion, I have a bad news for you, bro. Really wanna know, bro? Look at these cracks. You see this? Worn out. These are cracks, bro. Like this one is for sure is cracked. Like so, I don't know, still like wearing off. You see the lines? It's throughout. Huh?
That's gonna look good like this sooner or later.
But it's not that cover, man. No, loha fata. So. Like, AJ, dekh so gunk. You see all this gunk? Amar time on gunk chilo na, bro. Alright guys, so we're finally done with it. It took us almost a whole day today actually, but other than that, everything is checked out good. Other than just a little crack inside of the engine, but it's not actually a crack, my bad. It's not as bad as we thought it was. So we did a little research online, but it's fine. It's no biggie, but other than that, everything else is fine. Car is in one piece. No leak whatsoever. I am constantly checking for any leak. Finger crossed, hopefully we don't get any leak. And let me hear the exhaust, bro. It's alive. 335 IS. Honestly, the only reason I look exhausted is because I was working outside in the sun since 10 a.m. in the morning. And right now, I don't even know what time is it right now. Well, right now is 5. I do have class in like 10-15 minutes, but hey. Yeah, man, this is it for this car. Easy, quick little fix. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Stay tuned.